I'm Stephanie Genuardi. I am the founder and senior managing attorney at Inside Out Legal. I started my career as an in-house attorney working in an academic medical center, and I quickly learned that becoming integrated into the client organization as an in-house attorney involved a tremendous amount of time and energy devoted to matters outside of the practice of law. I found myself spending a significant amount of time trying to catch up on legal work that needed to be done because so much of the time was spent in meetings with the business team. Once the business team was on to their next venture, looking for their next procurement, bringing me along, I was also completing negotiation of the prior project. The in-house attorney's role as part of the business team helped me to see that I needed to be able to tap into a resource that could help with that legal lift. That need is what drove me to start up Inside Out Legal, where we act as in-house counsel from the outside. We typically have two types of clients: those who are larger and have an internal legal department, and those that are smaller, or that might be a startup and they don't yet have a legal department, but they still need regular access to attorneys. One of the most crucial parts of our service offering is that we make sure to become very familiar with our clients. We want to understand our clients' goals and objectives. The characteristics of our clients that we learn during this initial onboarding helps us to seamlessly integrate and align with the internal legal department if it exists, or with the business leadership for those entities without a legal department. We have a team of attorneys and we operate like an internal legal department ourselves. However, we are able to spread the workload out among our teams so that we can help our clients manage their priorities. While an in-house attorney has a list of priorities that run straight down to that one particular individual, they will very rarely, if ever, get to the bottom of that list. We're able to take that vertical list and make it horizontal and spread it out among all of the attorneys on our bench. By helping to spread out that work, matters can be handled more efficiently. We also have a wide variety of backgrounds on our team and are able to expand upon the level of knowledge the client's in-house legal team or business team may need to help them make effective decisions. Each client is assigned a team lead who is able to coordinate with the other attorneys within our firm to address that individual client's needs. All of our team leads have extensive experience working as in-house attorneys, and they are extremely aware of the pressures that in-house legal teams experience on a daily basis, and we are there to alleviate some of those pressures. We started our first few years mainly in healthcare. We have since expanded and focused not only on healthcare, but also data privacy and security, information technology, software as a service, entity formation, mergers and acquisitions, as well as commercial real estate transactions. Basically, we provide services that relate to matters that touch upon a wide variety of industries. Our current goal is to tap into the startup boom that has happened over the last several years and offer legal resources to those smaller startups that are trying to grow so we can help them get out of the gate and get it hold on their position in the marketplace. I personally love being an entrepreneur, and I love being able to help other entrepreneurs work towards success. Data privacy and security is a big one. Every entity that holds any type of confidential or personal information should be aware of the risks associated with that information and data. They should know what obligations they have related to that data and should have appropriate counsel representing them to help mitigate the risks and losses in the event that there is, unfortunately, a data breach. Obviously, the goal is to prevent a security breach from occurring in the first place, and we like to help our clients understand what policies and procedures they should implement to help lessen the likelihood of a breach. Another big issue that impacts most industries is artificial intelligence. Some of the risks that businesses need to understand relating to artificial intelligence include privacy, such as when AI generates fake images or news about people doing things they've never done. This can ruin reputations, even lead to blackmail. Cybersecurity is also another concern from an AI standpoint. AI-generated content is used more and more by bad actors who are creating these incredibly believable fake personas and who use fake emails or videos to fool people into handing over their personal information, clearing out their bank accounts, or falling victims to other types of scams. Defamation is another concern raised by AI. As AI-generated content becomes more and more realistic, it becomes harder and harder to pin down who is responsible for spreading false information or harming someone's reputation. Develop your policies and procedures as early as possible. This is going to help you frame your business processes and help you to understand the risks that exist in your industry and help you to contemplate the best way to protect your business from those risks. In particular, make sure you have policies in place relating specifically to data privacy and security, employment if you have employees, intellectual property, confidentiality. There are several other areas that should also be in place depending upon your industry, but hitting on those 4 areas should be at the top of your list. And of course, my final parting words of wisdom would be to make sure to team up with an attorney or a firm that has the necessary expertise and personality to help you and your business succeed.